हुआ था एक्सिस बैंक में. The reason for picking Axis Bank for intraday trading is very simple, based on candlesticks. So on the election day, election result day, we had a big red candle like in most stocks. So this was this major resistance which was overcome last week Wednesday, and then the stock was moving in a sideways manner. And you can see that there's a clear rejection of the resistance if we consider these candles here. And yesterday happened to be a inside bar as well. So I was pretty sure that if there is a good open, then this stock can move quite far, as it has been 3 days it has been consolidating, so naturally a breakout can be expected. So now that is the reason for selecting the stock. I hope this is clear. And how to identify resistance, etc., is covered in my book. Please refer to that. And once we're in intraday, I used a 15-minute chart to get entry because Nifty was not moving convincingly. It was just a morning session, it was just on sideways. So I really needed some confirmation, which I got here. First of all, candle was a hammer and then followed by a bullish kicker. So I entered at the close of this candle. Stop loss below the low of second candle at 9:30, and my target being 1268, which was easily achieved. 1268 is just a Fibonacci projection. So this is a fantastic trade which worked out. I can say that it really tested my patience here by staying in 1249 to 1244 to 1251 range in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 90 minutes. But then I was sure that this will give a higher target. So I held on and I closed it at my target. The actual target is 1283, which I didn't think it will achieve today. So that was the trade for today. I hope this video was educational and you will continue to like and subscribe and promote the content. Thank you very much. Bye bye.